हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 8 का ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 9 मैप स्केल के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा है, क्लासिफाई मैप शोइंग इन द फॉलोइंग एरियाज इनटू स्मॉल स्केल और अ लार्ज स्केल। तो पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे दिए हैं, बिल्डिंग, स्कूल, कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया, चर्च, मॉल, वर्ल्ड मैप, गार्डन, डिस्पेंसरी, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एंड द नॉर्थ स्काई एट नाइट। तो देखते हैं क्या क्लासिफिकेशन होगा इसका। ए है स्मॉल स्केल मैप में हम क्या क्या दिखा सकते हैं, कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया, वर्ल्ड मैप, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एंड द नॉर्थ स्काई एट नाइट। बी में हम दिखा सकते हैं लार्ज स्केल मैप में बिल्डिंग, स्कूल, चर्च, मॉल, गार्डन एंड डिस्पेंसरी। So question B यहाँ पे पूछा है, there are two maps with respective scales of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Give a well reason and answer to which of them will be large scale map and which of the small scale map, and recognize the type of maps as well. Answer: using a map with number of scales of 1 as to 180 lakh, the following are distances. Cities दिया है, distance on a map दिया है। मुंबई टू बैंगलोर 0.98 सेंटीमीटर, विजयपुरा टू जयपुर 2 सेंटीमीटर, हैदराबाद टू सूरत 0.9 सेंटीमीटर, उज्जैन टू शिमला 1.14 सेंटीमीटर, पटना टू रायपुर 0.75 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिल्ली टू कोलकाता 1 सेंटीमीटर. Third, A, the distance between 2 points A and B on the ground is 500 meter. Show this distance on a paper by a line of 2 centimeter. Express the map scale by any one method and mention it. So answer, to calculate the scale we need to convert the 500 meter into centimeter. So 500 meter centimeter is 50,000. 2 centimeter on a paper, 50,000 centimeter on ground. तो ये हमें दिखाना है। तो इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 1 सेंटीमीटर ऑन पेपर अगर दिखाना होगा तो उसका क्या होगा, 25,000 सेंटीमीटर ऑन ग्राउंड. On a verbal scale, this can be expressed as 1 centimeter is equal to 25,000 centimeter or 1 centimeter is equal to 150 meter. This is called verbal scale because it is written in the forms of words and units. B. Convert verbal scale of 1 centimeter to 53 kilometer to a numerical scale. तो कैसे करना है देखते हैं आंसर. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Therefore, 53 kilometer is equal to 53 lakh centimeters. Therefore, the verbal scale of 1 centimeter 53 kilometer can be converted a numerical scale as 1 as to 53 lakh. E. Convert the numerical scale of 1 as to 1 crore of a verbal scale in the metric system. Answer: 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Thus, 1 crore centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Therefore, numerical scale of 1 as to 1 crore to a verbal scale in the metric system can be converted as 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Question 4. Help them using road and railway maps of the states of Maharashtra. Use the scale given in the maps. A. Ajay wants to arrange a family trip. Bid, Aurangabad, Dhule, Nashik, Mumbai, Pune, Solapur, and then Bid. He wants to visit tourist places along his route. The cost of vehicle is 12 rupees per kilometer. What will be the approximate cost of travel? Answer: to calculate the approximate travel cost, we need to know the distance that person A has planned to travel. Therefore, the total distance traveled by a person A is 1207 kilometer. The appropriate cost of travel will be, हमें इससे इंटू करना होगा 12 को, तो आंसर आएगा 14,484 will be travel cost. B. Saloni has been asked to organize a trip by her teacher. She had selected Nagpur, Chandrapur, Nanded, Washim, Akola, Malakapur. What will be the total coverage in kilometer? Answer: to calculate the total coverage in terms of the kilometer, we need to find the distance between the places and add them. So therefore, the total coverage will be 830 kilometer. C. Vishwas Rao is transporting goods in a vehicle from Alibag, district Raigad, to Naladurga, district of Usmanabad. How many kilometer will he be covering approximately for a to and fro travel? Answer: the distance between Alibag to Naladurga is 436.5 kilometer. So since a person B will be traveling to add from these places, the distance will be 436.5 into 2. So what will be the total kilometer? 873. Therefore, the total distance covered by the person B is 873 किलोमीटर, क्योंकि उसको जाना भी है और वापस भी आना है, तो हमने इसलिए इसको into 2 किया है. Okay, student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then please like, comment, and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Studies Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.